Is this it?
Wow! Cool! My new dorm room! Exciting! Hey, roomie! Nice to meet you!
Watch out! Hey, back!
Whoa!
This room is a mess!
Who was even living here before us?
I say ghosts.
Yeah, agreed.
It sure needs a makeover. I'll get to work.
No.
Ah!
This side of the room is mine. No trespassing!
I mean, sure. Whatever. I can't spend my energy arguing with you.
Let's see who does it better.
Time to get to work.
We have so much to do.
Ugh, I hate getting my hands dirty.
Tell me about it. I feel like we're gonna need a huge trash bin.
You think?
Whoa! What did they even need this for? Whoa!
Ouch! Ugh, watch where you're going!
Much better. Already looking cozy.
You need to check your definition of cozy. Look, so soft. The wall looks so empty.
I know what I'm gonna do about that. Perfect. Don't try this at home, people.
Something burning? Ah! What did you do?
Cool, right? This too. Jealous of my side of the room?
Please, don't you know cool is my middle name? Just watch. Some North Pole magic. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And now… Every snowflake is so unique, like me. Shaky, shake, shake.
Whoa.
You might want to hold on to something. Haha!
Stop that!
Cold never bothered me anyway.
Huh. I see your game here. And I've got some tricks up my sleeves as well. The cauldron is ready for the ritual. You've got magic. I've got magic and science. So, I'm clearly the winner here. Burn, baby, burn! Hey! Don't worry, these won't actually burn the place down. How? Magic? Duh! Now check it out. Hey! I know how to grab your attention. You got delivery!
Hey!
I've got more of where that came from.
I don't remember ordering fireballs, but maybe you will like this.
Now you're talking.
You're just wasting my time. Anyway, where was I?
You were messing up the floor.
What are you talking about?
Oh.
You weren't lying. I just need a rug to cover that up. Yep, this one's the softest ever. My feet are gonna love it in the mornings.
Wow. I should have thought of that. Do you see this, Boo? Oh, I think I know what you mean. It's been a while since you got groomed. Hey, you look good like this. Bye, my sweet menace. Here it is. Phew! Pink and red look really good together.
Yeah, whatever. Why is it so hot in here?
Brr, so chilly. I can't accept that. How about a surprise heat wave? Much better. Hot like me.
Hey! Unacceptable! I need a cold refreshment. Like, right now! Almost freezing! Just the right temperature! Oh, wait! I know what to do with this! You see trash, I see a DIY project! Careful with the knife! The lights go inside the bottle! Now, a little bit of glue on this side. You'll need cotton and lots of it! Can you see my vision here? Ta-da! Snow clouds! Prepare for a blizzard of cuteness! Lights on! Let's see how you top that. Hey! I'm talking Ugh, so rude! How about sending her a letter? What did you think?
Huh? Wow. I think I got a secret admirer. I wonder who it is from. Surprise! Huh?
Who did that?
You, obviously. Huh? Well, this is mine now, 'cause I know just the thing to do with it. First, I gotta apply a little glue on this section. Place one piece of toilet paper next. More glue on top. And more glue everywhere. Wait just a little time until it sets. We can get rid of the balloon now. Yellow like the sun. And it's done. Easy peasy. No need for sunscreen.
Phew, this was heavier than I expected. There! Ursa Major! The night sky is so beautiful!
Oh, wow. Can I look through your telescope too?
You? No way.
This will convince you. There you go, bud.
Huh? What's that? I have a guest? An unwanted guest. I don't have time to deal with that. Bye! Back to stargazing.
Ugh. If she ain't sharing, then I'll use this. If only it worked. Pfft. Oh, but that doesn't mean it's totally useless. Let's cut it into small pieces first. The glue the ends like this. Using 2 different colors will make it pop more. Almost done! Yay! It's even cuter than I imagined it would be. I'm making my own galaxy on the wall. It looks like the Milky Way.
Wow, that does look so good. Quick, make a wish!
What are you up to? Ugh, you wished for this?
Totally worth it! But now, I'll make my crafting wishes come true. Watch carefully. The folding order makes all the difference. We need to cut the paper from the middle and work separately with each piece. Once we make quite a few of these, it's time to glue them together. First, make sure the glue is dry and voila! My personal northern star! But let's decorate it first. Give it that blinking aesthetic. Now I can make a wish anytime I want!
Okay, officially approved.
A little left.
Here?
Yep. Phew.
Phew, I'm so sweaty. Anyway, now we have space for our stuff.
Cute, right?
You mean my dog, right?
Sure, why not?
More pillows? Yes, please.
Yay! I think we're finally done!
Yes, we did it!
And everything is a reflection of our own vibes. I have my little plushie friends here as well.
Me too. They can be besties. Sebastian likes his new home. The red and blue complement each other, wouldn't you agree?
Yep, we're gonna have so much fun in here.
Yeah.
Haha, but for now, let's rest.
Come on, hurry up! I can't wait to get started! We're finally here! Let's go inside! Are you ready, Rumi? I don't remember it looking like this. There was definitely a lot less spiders in the pictures. It's gross! We need to fix this. That's better. Let's get to work. I love a good makeover. This wallpaper has to go. Wow, that's really stuck on. Whoa! Are you okay? Who turned the lights out? What's going on? This is so not funny. That's it. Now it's personal. This bed has seen better days. Put Push! Woohoo! Go! Go! How much do you weigh? You know, this is fun. Nailed it! Let's go, bestie! Ta-da! Check out these moves! Ugh, who thought this was a good idea? Oh, I've read this one. We're almost finished! We did it! Woo! We missed some. That's okay. We'll just rip it down. Huh? Who draws the poop emoji? Whoa! What's that? Is it snowing?
I love my job!
Hey, stop it! The roof is gonna run! That was close. That could have been nasty. Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Lay a piece of foam tiling on a flat surface. Next, you'll need a rectangular piece of card. Trace around the rectangle onto the tile. Repeat this all over the tile. You want to create a brick-like pattern. Now we need to score the foam. Make shallow grooves in the foam, removing the ink. All you have to do is follow the lines. Just like this. Then fill in the gaps with white paint, covering up any remaining ink. Now apply paint to the tile. Place a small amount on each brick. Start to paint the tile. The foam gives a nice textured effect. Let's get this on the way! Perfect! No more poop emoji. It looks better already. Good job! Is that the door? Hello?
Hi! I'm selling this amazing drill!
Nope. Ahem. I hadn't finished.
I'm also cooking up a storm with this frying pan!
No! What? Okay, it's a deal. I mean, oh no.
How about the mystery prize? Only $2!
Oh, please, can we? Why not?
Just another happy customer. Now hand over the money. Bye-bye!
I wonder what it is. Let's open it. Wow! It's a mirror! This is just what we need! I'll just get rid of this paper. This might not have been a good idea. The frame is damaged. We can't hang this on the wall. Hey! Come back! Aha! This is just what I want. Sorry, Teddy, but I need your stuffing. Looking to upgrade an old mirror? Try this out. Stick a strip of LED lights along the frame. Bend the lights around the corners. We want it to be one continuous strip. Once you've done that, start to apply glue over the LED strip. Make sure you don't miss any spots. A zigzag pattern is ideal for this. Almost done. Now stick the teddy bear stuffing onto the glue. Give it a press to make sure it's secure. Repeat this all the way around the frame. Make sure that none of the LED strip is showing. Once you've finished, stick artificial butterflies to the stuffing. This is looking great! This is starting to look more like a home, and I love the lighting effect. Wow! It's amazing! It's like a little part of nature. I look good. Oh, this work is making me sleepy. This is so comfortable. I'm so glad you came over.
I wouldn't miss it.
What a great sleep! Whoa! Naomi, wake up! What is it? Look! Have you been kissing your pillow again? Well, there was a cute guy in my dream. It's okay. I have an idea. It's my darling daughter. Yes? Hi, Mom. We've got some lipstick stains on our pillows. I'm on my way! This is an emergency! My poor little baby. Mommy's coming! Let's go! Look out! Coming through! Are you okay, honey? Oh, hi, Mom! We've got a problem. See? Don't worry, girls. I've got this. Place tape around the edge of the pillow. Next, start to stick smaller pieces of tape at an angle. Make a row of small triangles. Repeat this all the way down the pillow, filling in any gaps with tape. Once you've done that, remove one row of tape, just like this. Be careful not to peel off any other tape. Working down the pillow, remove every second row of tape. Then, grab a brush and start painting. Dab the brush over the top row of triangles. The tape acts as a border, stopping any messy accidents. Paint each row a different color. Once the paint is dry, peel off the remaining tape. This part is nice and relaxing. Again, be careful. We don't want to ruin any of our hard work. Then just remove the tape from around the edges. That's better than any lipstick stains. What do you think, girls? Looks good, huh?
Whoa! It's awesome!
Thanks, Mom!
Oh, I know! I need a photograph! Smile!
Aw, it's so cute!
I'm just glad I could help.
Bye, Mom! Where can we put this? No. Nope. Ha! Look! I'm art! We can't use this. I don't know what to do. Who's that? What is it? A note? Thanks, I guess. Open it. I think it's a code. Was that safe always there? There might be treasure in there. It's a pretty obvious code. I wonder what's inside. Wooden skewers? Place a wooden skewer on a flat surface and apply a small dab of glue to the end. Continue doing this until you have a large frame. Place a skewer down the middle, splitting the square in half. Glue another skewer horizontally to the frame. Continue doing this, filling the frame. Do the same vertically, then paint it. Personalize the frame by adding some decorations. It makes a great way to display photographs. There we go! Our first photo frame! It's perfect! We can put all our photographs on it. It's just what we needed. And it looks great. There's nothing better than hanging out with my bestie. Aw, we look so cute! Having fun and creating memories. Yeah! Finally! It looks like a home! It looks good, right? It was so disgusting! What a difference! And it's so bright and colorful now. It was hard work, but it was totally worth it. We hope you enjoyed this room makeover. What was your favorite part? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one. Like and subscribe for more great videos.